Find I is equal to integral of 1 by sin square 2x cos square 2x of dx. So therefore 1 can be written as, which is equal to integral of sin square 2x plus cos square 2x by sin square 2x cos square 2x of dx, which is equal to integral of sin square 2x by sin square 2x cos square 2x plus cos square 2x by sin square 2x plus sin square 2x cos square 2x of dx, which is equal to sin square 2x cancel, 1 by cos square 2x plus cos square 2x cancel, sin square 2x of dx, which is equal to the inverse of 1 by cos square 2x can be written as secant square 2x plus cosecant square 2x. Applying integration, integral of secant square 2x dx plus integral of cosecant square 2x dx, which is equal to secant square 2x tan 2x by 2 plus of cosecant square 2x minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. So answer is tan 2x by 2 minus cot 2x by 2 plus c. I is equal to